Hi, this is Jivan, and today I'm going to introduce you to Mont Kiara. Mont Kiara is an affluent township located at the northwest of Kuala Lumpur city centre in Malaysia. The distance between Mont Kiara and KLCC is approximately 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the traffic. The township consists mainly of residential condominiums and office complexes. There are close to 60 over condominiums in Mont Kiara. Each and every development is unique in its own way to cater to various kinds of preferences and needs. Mont Kiara has a very organized township. The structures are located in blocks, giving one a western country-like feel. They are shopping malls, restaurant chains serving cuisines from all over the world, international and local bars, gymnasiums, and other retail outlets. There are also 2 international schools here to cater to parents who are looking for a place to enroll their kids. Overall, Mont Kiara is a very self-sufficient township. It also acts as a haven for many, especially the expats. Today we are going to meet a lovely couple at their new home in Mont Kiara, Danai, to find out about their overall experience in finding their preferred home.
Hi, I'm Shobit. This is my wife Aditi. We're from India. We came, I moved here in the beginning of the year 2020, and my wife joined me very recently in September. We love Malaysia. Coming here was a very conscious choice. We love the culture, we love the people, we love the food. The weather seems great, very multiracial as well, so we're having a very nice time out here. The fact that it is very green, at least where we are staying, it's close to our son's school, good location, pretty central, and we've had practically no challenges in adjusting out here. Managed to find friends in a very, very short period of time. So I think it's a great location for any expat coming in. It was actually very efficient, starting from going on to the Property Guru website and then finding you, Jeevan, as the person to work along with. And the information is pretty clear. I was able to quickly shortlist and then go about looking at the houses. So it was a very efficient process all in all. I think the fact that we found this house that we really love is all thanks to Jeevan. What happened was we got in touch with him through the Property Guru website, and then he basically took charge, understood all our requirements, set up all the appointments, picked us up, dropped us, and made sure that we understood each houses, the benefits, the challenges with each of those houses, the pros and cons, and he's the one who basically helped us find this location. So everything was done through Jeevan only.
I joined my husband only very recently, so while he was doing the whole property hunting process for a wife who's sitting in another country, it can be very nerve-wracking to understand, what the house would be like. But again, thanks to Jeevan, I knew that he was working very closely with my husband and he understood our requirements, what the schooling would be, what the setup would be, and he was extremely patient, and I think it very, very patient and very helpful in trying to attend to all our needs, and went out of his way to show us as many properties as we wanted to see. It could have been very easy for him to just say that, okay, this is all that I have, but he took a lot of trouble.
I've already been recommending Jeevan to a few folks who I was looking out, so absolutely, whenever there's a need, I think I just have one person to call, and I'm going to be recommending him whenever there's a request. I think one thing that I'll say first of all is the areas that worked very well for us for Jeevan, as my wife said, first has been his absolute patience, and in the whole process, because as buyers or people who are looking for something, we can be very finicky and have all sort of requirements. So he was extremely patient throughout the whole process, and he was very calm. He'd never lost his cool, and whatever request came from our side, he was able to cater to them with a very calm mind, and I think that helped a lot. And when the time came, he helped us take the right decisions as well, showed us the pros and cons. So that's one area that I think, 2 areas rather, that worked really, really well for us, his patience and his calmness in the whole engagement. I really can't think of any area for improvement. I think he did a perfect job. He was the perfect agent to work along with, Like I said, picked us up, dropped us, showed us all the apartments, lined up all the meetings, make sure that all our requirements were met. So I really have no suggestions from an improvement perspective. Just like to thank Jeevan for all his help and support in finding us a very comfortable, very nice home. So thank you, Jeevan, for all your effort and all your hard work.
If you like this video, kindly click like and do not forget to subscribe by clicking the button below. Thank you so much.